When temperature matters, your packaging can't fail. That's why medical pros from compound pharmacies to diagnostic labs trust LoBoy Coolers. These are fully fused EPS shipping coolers designed for cold chain protection that actually holds up. They're USP 800 and 799 ready, which means they're safe for shipping semaglutides, peptides, injectables, HRT therapies, even veterinary meds and diagnostic kits. There's no flaky foam, no loose lids, just clean, reliable insulation with tight fits, lab-tested construction, and the kind of durability you can count on. Shipping a few dozen or shipping by the pallet? We've got you covered with fast turnarounds and no massive minimums. Call us at 888-243-1112 or request a sample cooler today and feel the difference for yourself. LoBoy Coolers, when cold chain failure is not an option.